Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat text size. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat text size, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to this window of Snapchat and you click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache and you click here. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.